Okay, this is just a sound check. Check, check, check. Sound check. Height check. Can you hear me check? We just read about Freemasons check. Flat Earth is on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Check. Really quick message, sound check message as we tell you something real fast about the founding mothers. I don't even have Deborah on the list, but village life had ceased until Deborah, a mother, arose. And village life pretty much around now here is ceased because everybody has sent their kids to propaganda ball school and went out and served these other gods money. Okay,